we got Bhalwaan swearing in the back.
Yes, sir.
As usual. I'm kidding, you're a nice guy. And then we got Mr.
Arman.
And what's your Instagram?
It's Arman Clicks 0007.
He almost forgot himself.
Yeah.
No.
What about you, man?
What's up, bro? Follow us, Double M Records, baby.
Okay,
you already
awesome,
know we
man.
shooting. We out here.
Shooting a music video for the main star over here, Bollywood, Hollywood.
only Punjabi. Only Punjabi.
Yeah, Bollywood, bro.
Yeah,
Come on, man. And then we got Mr. Sim.
What's up, guys? Yeah, from the last vlog, back again.
And then obviously the main guy over here, now owner of this car. Yo! And then obviously the guys in the back. Alright, so now these guys are trying to bully somebody into... They're trying to bully a high school kid to go in front of the car.
All I'm saying, we're gonna put Uppy in the video for sure.
Where's Uppy in the motherfucking video?
He's the youngest guy here.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
Okay, yo, all the girls at school, bro. Come on, you think I'm gonna pull on?
11.
That's it.
Okay, one more year left, you know?
Everybody, check our auto direct.
Uppy's out here.
The newest Bollywood star. Not good, not good. All good? Main character.
Oh, you're suspended?
Right now? I didn't even do it.
You're
under probation?
Shit. Main character energy. Okay, Allah. Yo, Calico.
Driving lessons, bro. What are you doing, man? Aggressive.
You gotta make that fucking face, Uppy.
I don't have to bleep everything out, bro.
Yo, you gotta look like the guy, man. You gotta look like the guy. You know the guy? Look at the camera.
Yo, in other music videos, I usually see a girl sitting there.
Does he look like the guy? Yo, give him a strap. Give him a strap. Just to make it clear, we don't have any. We don't have any.
They mean belt.
Yo, where's my DJ, dog? Where's my DJ? Let's go.
Oh,
You gotta make that fucking
go, guys. The behind the scenes. So we were shooting at one of the units. Unfortunately, they had some construction going on, and all the cars are a little bit muddy now. Even the Porsche, the tires are all muddied up and stuff, man. It's kind of sucks. I got a new plate. I got Take It Easy. I'll show you guys. It just came in today. I didn't have enough time to put it on yet. See how mud, look at that. Oh my god, mud everywhere. And then we got old school neon A4, sorry. This is someone's, like a regular car. Look at that, splattered mud everywhere, because the problem is it's wet mud because of construction, so we didn't realize, and then when we got here, unfortunately, so we're hosing the mud off, and yeah, just trying to get the cars in. It's a lot of work just to get these video shoots done, man. So you know, Sim's working hard right now. It's a construction, man. It's a and then we got the Hell Kitty, Godzilla. Man, you're gonna need to wash the inside, outside, side, left, right, center, everything. Oh my god, man. That's crazy, bro. Sunny day. We're supposed to get snow on Sunday, bro.
Oh, then it'll be all good. We'll be all tucked away.
Oh man, crazy. We got the Hell Kitty inside now. Last car we're doing, and then these guys are gonna go take them for a little drive. But you know, as duty calls, as a father life, I probably have to make moves. Mr. Sim over here, he's probably still gonna be cleaning this tonight. So,
Yeah.
but yo, honestly, it's all good. We cleaned as much as we could, but this is the hassle, man. That's the hassle. This is the behind the scenes of video shoots for music, man.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Even if, like, the car comes here, you actually can't, but we gotta make like a pathway.
No, the problem is like the mud is all the way there,
Yeah.
and it's coming towards this way, right? And it's from this area where they put pillars up. So the problem is like the mud's just traveling towards the cars. So it's all good. It is what it is.
It'll take a little bit.
Yeah, the video guys will probably edit it out. It's not a problem. We gotta wait till the song releases anyway. We have no idea when it's gonna
It
release.
should be releasing in a couple of days.
A couple of days, right? Whatever. We'll figure that out. They're gonna edit that video in a couple of days.
I think so. I don't even know. Like a week, bro.
My ass, couple of days,
Depending
bro.
on how fast
Yeah. All right, guys.
Welcome, boys. Welcome to Throttle Control with Bhalwaan. We're here with Sim. This guy is
What's up?
the nastiest GDR in the fucking city. We got Buddy right here. Buddy, introduce yourself a little bit.
My Modi Sahab.
You doesn't want us in the video. That's fucked up still. That's right here, my boy Indy.
Good, yo. All right,
This
now.
is a Hellcat. Yeah. Wide body. Yes, sir.
Big body.
Yes, sir.
717 horsepower.
Let's go. 770 horsepower, brother.
Can't swear on YouTube.
Oh, sorry about that. You guys can cut it out. You get what I'm saying. It's pretty sick. So we're blessed here. We have a little crew of blessed guys here. All of them are blessed. And this is a very fucking sick shot right here too. We got Jamie Body backing up that fucking big body too. Oh, another swear bird. The YouTube can't take it out. Okay. The biggest.
YouTube.
Biggest of the biggest.
YouTube.
See that, Habibi? We're live right now.
You can turn around the thing with the hand.
Yes, sir. YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share, please. Oh, aadha reh gaya. Yo, we actually don't have a day for this video, so I don't even know when this is gonna drop. But 2 weeks maybe or 3. Yeah,
It's not
but
coming
we gotta
before a
show
month.
here, Mr. Auto
It's not
right
coming before a month.
The reality of music videos.
Swear to God, you gotta keep it real.
Behind the scenes, right? Behind the scenes of the guy recording the guy. Alright guys, so they finally got the cars in the unit parked up. You gonna have a fun time tomorrow? So I caught AJ doing all that on camera. So AJ who?
Everybody.
Guys, this is probably the last drive for the Porsche. We got Mr. Mortgage King over here with his Lambo, doing a little drive to get a coffee. This is the day after the music video shoot, and then I think it's gonna be snowing, so we're gonna put the cars away. I'm gonna wash the car up. The leaves are gone. To be honest with you, weather's getting a little cold now, so the drives are kind of just coffee drives at this point. But yeah, we're expecting snow tomorrow. As I said, the C63 doesn't get stored, but the Porsche, I wouldn't mind driving it, but the issue is it's on Cup 2s, and being on Cup 2s, they're just like frozen hockey pucks, and the weather is to a point where the pavement's really already kind of cold, and the car is really dirty, so I'm gonna give it a little wash after this drive and coffee, and just kind of have it cleaned up a little bit before I do put it away. But I've been trying to enjoy it the last couple of days, just because once they salt down the roads, the brine is on the roads, then I don't mind driving a car because I don't care like that, but it's just cleaning the cars is a real pain. So we might make a couple of videos here or there of doing something in the winter where I can manage to clean the car after. Maybe go do a few donuts in the snow, but I don't know how far this car will get. With the R8, it was all-wheel drive. At least I knew I had a little bit more traction. With this car, it's rear, sorry, that was all-wheel drive. This one's rear-wheel drive, and with Cup 2s, it's just, it might not even move in the snow, so I'm not really sure if that's a good idea. We'll see how it goes. We'll give it a shot, maybe. Maybe we'll have an epic fail, maybe not, right? So, we'll see. Alright guys, let's wash this car up. Quickly gonna start it up, rinse, and then clean, soap. I got a lot of mud on the car from yesterday, as I said. So I gotta get all that mud off right here, and then just kind of have it cleaned up as much as I can, and then that's it. I don't know what happened. The soap wasn't that good, but whatever. A little bit of soap, a little bit of water. I'm gonna dry it off now with this Adam Polishes towel. I love this thing, and it just soaks up all the water. Dry off most of the car with just this one towel, and I have the smaller towels for the details, but this one really does a good job just soaking up all the actual big spots in the water. Folks, so the goal to drain the gas tank as well for the car has been achieved. I've been driving away senselessly for half the day, going on a little run, coffee, wash, this, that. Car's clean, car's good to go. Lens got a little blurry, so I don't know if the wash scenes are gonna be good, but thank you for watching the vlogs, first of all. I really appreciate the people that are taking their time to sit and watch and, you know, come along this journey. The whole reason for this YouTube channel, as I keep saying as from before, is to bring you along the journey. I'm not really doing this as any sort of other way. If it ever gets big, I think anything if I ever make from YouTube will be donated. I don't really need it as a revenue. It's more so a passion, and I just record when I have fun, record when I feel like it's the right time, and I record when I feel as if it's a moment that I'd love to capture and I can watch over again. So it's just really it. Nothing too crazy. I'm not trying to be a professional YouTuber or anything like that, but I am trying to get better, so then the quality of videos can go out to more of you, and hopefully more of you guys can watch. So the whole point of this is to bring everybody together, to bring everybody along, to make you guys understand that the people in this culture, in this passion, are all just ordinary people living their lives to the fullest. Nobody special. Nobody has, you could say, something better than the other. Everyone's kind of doing their thing at their own level. So yeah, guys, it's just, I don't want to keep rambling on, but as I said, like, this whole channel, I'm really appreciative. It is almost December now, and by the time this video goes up, I don't know, depending on when the song releases, then I can at least put the clips of the sound in there. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you guys follow along. I try to bring you guys just a journey of what I'm doing. I'm not at the level of where I can afford to do this on a basis where I can, you know, leave the country for days on end and make videos about cars and stuff. It's just not, that's not who I am, and it's never going to be something that's achievable until I have some sort of backup from this YouTube side. So yeah, guys, this is the last video with the Porsche for a bit. We'll see what's going on over the winter. There are some things, as I said, the parts that I hadn't planned and had kind of you know, sitting there. It's just time, man. Time is very difficult because with a baby, with the, you know, family, work, it becomes tough to try to do all this. So try to get out as much as possible. Weekends especially are my days where I have this car out. I try to make a rule, and the rule of thumb is that on the weekends I pretend like I have no other car. But the thing is, in the winter time, it doesn't make sense. As I said before, in the winter, driving a car isn't the issue, it's the other people. But secondly, it's the tolerances and clearances. this car is just not going to clear anything if it somehow snows a bit or there's some sort of ice on the ground. It's gonna just tear things, and I just don't want to tear things on this car because I have so much planned over the winter for mods and making this car even more special. So yeah guys, appreciate the love, and right back to you as well for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.